Welcome back in Tec Dev Studio, and in this video we are going to review the TDS Hero plugin 7.0 update. So lots of you have some basic question like what is new in the TDS Hero 7.0 plugins and how it's fixed our SDK issue, our Android storage permission issue, Google Gamepad issue, and etc more. So let me show you in this video. The first thing, the new update has been come in Epic marketplaces, so you can just get your new updated plugin from there. It's really very good. So let's get started. The first thing at here, let me just make you some more briefly something like this. So in the new plugin, their addition and new come the multiplayer plugins, so which is basically allow you more flexible and time saver for your multiplayer game setup. Also there's a new blueprint code come for the mouse setter, so you can control the mouse and even for the widget as well. So first, in the blueprint list, they gave or we giving you the problem G fixer, where you find the texture streaming overpull budget fixer. So it's available for console, mobile, and PC. So it's mean that if you probably maybe face this issue that why you are using a 8K or 4K texture, and at some point in Unreal Engine it's showing a pop-up message that texture streaming overpower 20,000, 40,000 in a red line. So if you use this blueprint, you need to just do something like this. You need to just execute something like that, and it will be fixed automatically for you. So if you are targeting your game for console, you can use the console. If you're targeting for your mobile, so you can choose the mobile. It's also affected for the VR as well. And if you are targeting for the PC, you can choose the PC one. For multiplayer setups, you find now the get current match time and set match time. So what does this thing do? You probably see that every multiplayer game has a time limit system, where if you call PUBG or Free Fire, it's have a 7 to 10 minute gameplay, where you can set here something. It's pretty similar, something like that. So there's a automatically system is made by TDS, so or Tec Dev Studio. So where you need just run this blueprint code. After that, all it will be do automatically for you. Like you can choose your seconds, you can choose your minutes, and you need to just give a self reference, and now boom, that's all. You can first you need to set up this time something like this, and for get your current time the value, you can use this one, get current match time. You can connect this thing with a event tick, so it's going to be execute more properly. And from output you can get the seconds, minute, and if this time is done or match is done or not, you find here the output as a true or false. Also it's give you a TDS UID maker, why it's automatically give you a unique ID code, why you can generate for your random user ID. At the third, there's some dev helper blueprint code available. Why is you find the TDS max word typer, why you can put a value something like, for example, you want a name setter, you create a player name box where user only can give input more than only 12 characters. So at that point this plugin going to be help you, or this blueprint code, where you can choose that okay, I only want that my user can only write the 15 words and only we can get as output. Okay, so for that it's going to be help you. Then you find TDS mouse always, so where it's going to be set up your mouse cursor. Like if you want, you can enable your mouse or disable your mouse by running this blueprint code. Then you find the TDS UI widget maker, so it's automatically have the all the add widget and etc system. So from here now you can just to choose your UI, that which one you're going to be use, and just run, and it will automatically going to be set up. For this order you have here a option, so you can control it. After that it have TDS game config setter. So TDS game config setter is basically you can set up it as for the mobile, even for your game PC game or console game. So you can choose your game quality as from the default, all the low, high, or max. Okay, and then you find the print message hide or show, where you can disable the Unreal Engine print string as a, if you want you can hide them or you can show them. Then you find TDS Hero the performance shower, where you find all the performance kit like static, like your MS, PC running, how much RAM using, etc more information. For the TDS Google Initialize SDK, it's going to be help you to set up the Google SDK. So if you are probably know that Google have some limitation, and also Google have some new rules that you need to use the Android billing v6.2, and the Google Gamepad and etc more. So this blueprint is going to be fixed for all for you. So you need to just run on your game whenever it's going to be start something like this, and it's going to be implement everything automatically. Okay, then you find the graphics controlling system, where you can set up your game graphics control, something like high, low or max. You find pretty much it for the mobile and the PC as well. So yeah, so the PC also affect as console as well, and the mobile also control the VR and AR as well. So that is pretty much enough of the blueprint code, what you basically going to be find in TDS Hero plugin. And about the, if you still have question about how it's going to be fixed my the SDK issue or the 14 plus supports, it's already internal building plugin system, so you don't need to worry about anything. It's already updated. Whenever you enable the system, it's automatically updated everything for you. Now you can simply export your game for Android, and once you export, you'll be, if you try to upload in Google Play Store, you'll be see you don't find any error as well. So that is the overview and highlights of this plugin. And if you still have any question, or if you still have any recommendation for us, that's what we can add in future updates, let us know. Also this plugin 4.20 version is available. So because it's not giving by official, but it's unofficial version, so you can go to our Patreon link, and from our Patreon link you can basically download the 4.27.2 version as well. So thank you so much for watching guys. See you in next tutorial video.